Welcome to our tutorial on how to pin the search bar to the taskbar in Windows 10. Pinning the search bar to the taskbar provides easy access to search functionality, allowing you to find files, apps, and information quickly. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by right-clicking on the taskbar. You can find the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, and it usually contains the Start menu logo. Right-clicking on the taskbar will bring up a context menu with several options. Step 2. Hover your mouse over the search option in the context menu. You'll typically find it listed as the second option from the top. When you hover over it, a sub-menu will appear. Step 3. Click on Show Search Box to select it. By doing this, you'll add the Windows 10 search box to your taskbar, making it readily available for your searches. Congratulations! You have successfully pinned the search bar to the taskbar in Windows 10. Now you can perform searches with ease by simply clicking on the search box icon in the taskbar. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy the convenience of having the search bar pinned to your taskbar.